focus. Let's focus here. What's up, everybody? We got Jeremiah right here. So we're here right now at the Monster Truck Show. I think it's called the Nights of Thrills or Thrills of Nights. Something like that. This is our second year coming. We came last year.
Yeah,
you guys remember the vlog? Last time it was Lexi's party. This time the party happened before. It's a little sooner. This time it seems more full. There's a lot more people. We had to park a little bit more farther, but hopefully we got some good seats. I came out of work late, so we got here a little late. I wanted to get here earlier so we could do it's called like a pit party pass. You get to see the monster trucks, I think. But we'll see where we are right now. And I think also here at the fairgrounds they're doing a light show, so there's people over there too. So maybe all them cars in the parking lot is for that and not for this. So hopefully. But we got Jeremiah here. He got his headphones this time. See your headphones.
That way it don't be too noisy.
Yeah, it's a shirt from last time they signed for you.
Yeah.
So we'll get inside right now. There's a line to get in, and we'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Ew.
What's up, Jeremiah? You ready? Where's your truck at? You see, Jeremiah got a little truck. A little flag. Let me see your flag. Where's that flag? Show's about to start. Everybody's getting ready. You see that they got a little bit more little trucks here this time. So show might be different. Hopefully it is. We get to see something different. And we did get here a little late, so we didn't get to go down there. We got to see there's people down there. There's people down there. That's the pit party. We tried to go, but the line was too long, so whoever was in line, that's it. They stopped it. They said maybe after the show we might have a chance, so hopefully. And hope you guys enjoy the show, and hopefully we do too. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Peace. Oh, they got little troquitas. Got little trucks. Just waiting for the show. Got your flag ready? You gonna be scared this time? No? I don't know. I think you're gonna get scared. food break, drink break, whatever it is. We'll probably go down there, get a couple drinks, lemonade, water, whatever. But those lines out there for the snacks are ridiculous. Oh.
He's going on a fire shop.
You're going to a fire truck right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in line right now. So we're in line right now to get on the monster trucks.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big line, if you can see right here. We're gonna get a ride on the monster truck. Jeremiah's excited, huh, Papa? You ready? Jeremiah got scared and nervous, but it was fun. So now we're gonna go ahead and head back to our seats. A hot dog with bacon.
¿Cuántos, jefe? Nomás dígame para llevar o acá, ¿cuántos con todo? Otro más con ketchup. Vámonos.
That's the guy. What do you think about the show, Jeremiah? Huh? It was cool. So we're gonna grab some hot dogs right now. Then we'll go ahead and go home, grab Beatties, Alice. We'll see what we go eat something else. Jeremiah wants the hot dog. And probably gonna go ahead and still go to the movies. Watch a movie with Beatty. It's only fair, you know. If she wants to, if she feels good. So we'll see what happens with this day. I gotta work tomorrow too, though. So try to make the best out of it with the little bit of time that we have. So keep up, catch up, watch with us. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button.
On your head.
How you smash it? Follow, like, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching and keeping up with us. Jeremiah, anything else you gotta say?
Peace out.
Peace out. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Peace.